Shachi Parekh completed online automation testing training from STAD Solution and placed at Octalsoft company. Let's hear from her.
Hello, my name is Shachi Parekh and I have done my Masters and Bachelor's in Information Technology in 2013 from Gujarat University. And I came to know about STAD Solution from a friend and I joined it here for the online automation testing course. They have very knowledgeable teachers here from whom I deeply learned about the automation testing concepts like Java, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium RC, JMeter, Postman. And I did not face any problem in the online course because all the queries were solved through Skype, and at the end we also had doubt sessions. The videos and notes were also helpful if you face any problem in installation and implementation. And overall, the online course was a comfortable experience for me because you can watch video sessions at your own time, you can learn from your home. So overall, it was a wonderful experience. And after the training period, I got placed in the Octalsoft company as a QA analyst. So I'm thankful to Richa ma'am and all the team members of the STAD Solution for all the support. And I highly recommend STAD Solution for the software testing training program.